Welcome back to the 30-day low-fat vegan weight loss challenge. Today is day 29. We are almost done, and I am so proud of you for making these healthy, positive changes. I want to take the time in this video to talk a little bit about life beyond this 30-day weight loss challenge. First of all, I'm going to leave this playlist here as a resource for you in the future if you ever need a reminder to help get you back on track. There are a ton of meal ideas and hopefully some helpful tips and motivation if you need it. When it comes to a healthy diet and maintaining your weight loss long term, it's important to be realistic and also to give yourself grace and to be patient with yourself. Unless you decide to go live all alone in the middle of nature and eat only the food you grow, you're likely going to be around junk food and other temptations. You will have some days, weeks, or even months where eating healthy seems easy and the weight comes off or stays off seemingly without any effort. But you'll also have times where you'll get off track, maybe a vacation or a birthday party where you start eating cake, chips, and cookies, and then don't seem to be able to stop for the next few weeks. It happens. These processed foods suck you in and make you want more. That's what they're literally designed to do. That's how they make money. Their addictive nature makes it so that you want more and more. So don't feel bad about it. There's nothing wrong with you. But I want you to remember that the tools to help get you back on track are yours to use anytime you decide to. You now know how to make at least a few healthy, easy, low-fat vegan meals for weight loss. Remember the meal formula I shared: greens, beans, and wet starch. And remember how important your environment is when it comes to sticking with healthy habits and keeping the weight you've lost off long term. So if you do have a junk food slip up for a few weeks, when you're ready to get back on track, it's so critical to get your favorite cookies and chips out of your house. Or before you know it, they'll be in your mouth. Equally as important, make sure you have the grocery essentials you need to make a few of your favorite healthy meals: sweet potato, broccoli, beans, oatmeal, rice, bananas, etc. If you don't have these things on hand, then when you're hungry, you'll be frustrated and not know what to make, and you may end up going for the easy path, which is takeout food. So much of your long-term success depends on preparedness. If you can prepare, you can succeed. Another thing that can be really helpful with being successful with this way of eating long-term is a resilient mindset. Believing that no matter how many times you quote unquote mess up or go down the junk food path, you can and will start again. Have a clear vision of your future, healthy, fit, slim, energetic self, and let that vision motivate you to make the healthiest choices today. Also, never stop experimenting and learning. I never think that I know it all. I'm always tweaking things. Right now, I'm into watching Dr. Peter Rogers' YouTube channel. He has amazing lectures, and I'm learning so much about the human body and how feeding it healthy plant foods literally can assist the body in healing itself from so many different ailments. It's his videos that finally got me to stop adding so much salt to my meals. I've known that it was unhealthy for a really long time, but learning about what actually happens to your arteries and blood flow when you have too much sodium has encouraged me to finally make that change. My point is that one tiny bit of information can change your mindset, give you new helpful ideas, and make a positive impact in your life. So keep learning. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.